In a world of giants, hunger drove early humans to choices that carried deadly consequences. When they stole from a predator older than time itself, the savanna trembled with vengeance. By the river, hunger whispered louder than fear. They found treasures hidden in the mud. But treasures in the wild are never free. They dared to steal life from a giant. And the river stirred with watching eyes. They ran before the shadow could rise. In the cave, hunger turned theft into feast. They cracked the forbidden shells. For a moment, survival tasted sweet. But in the dark, the mother serpent came. She rose, ancient and merciless. The earth bent beneath her coils. The first warning came from innocent eyes. Fire was the only courage they could hold. And then the night itself attacked. Her strike was thunder without sound. Flame met scale in desperate defiance. But her body sealed their escape. Trapped, they clung to fragile firelight. She remembered what was taken. They called for more fire. Together they built a wall of flame. Even giants faltered before fire. But rage is harder to burn. Desperation became weapon. They struck where scale was weakest. Her fury shook the savanna itself. But still, life was protected in arms of love. Wisdom guided trembling hands. At last, she chose the river over flame. The night ended, but scars remained. Survival demanded healing. Love was victory's quiet reward. The savanna remembered violence. They learned never to take what cannot be kept. The river forgot, but they did not. Memory was their true shield. They ate in silence, bound by fear and fire. They left the cave behind, carrying the lesson forward. From the serpent's wrath, they carried a new truth: life survives only in unity. This was not just their story, but the story of us all. Fire, fear, and unity shape the path of humanity. To follow more tales of our ancient ancestors, like, share, and subscribe.